How to unlink Google Play account with your Free Fire account. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily unlink your Google account with your Free Fire account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your Google Play games. And once you get here, just make sure that you're logged into your account and you'll see all of the available games on your phone. So go to Free Fire. And once you get here, you can tap on the three dots at the top right and then go to Settings. Once you get to the settings menu, you'll find your data. Now tap on delete play games account and data. And if you want to delete all of the games connected to it, tap on permanently delete. But if you just want to delete individual game data, tap on the game that you want to delete it to. So here I've got Free Fire, so I'll just tap on delete and then tap on permanently delete. Once this action is done, it cannot be undone. So you just need to make sure you know that, and then you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more updates. I'll catch you guys on the next one.